Yeah, what's going on, guys? The Ox Marker here. So, because here in the UK we are now in lockdown 2.0, I've decided to basically do some more videos on basically the how-to series. Just some videos of me working on the bike in the shed while we can't get out and ride. I mean, technically I could get out and ride if I wanted to. I could use it to go to the shops, but if I don't need to, why? I've got a car. It's just obviously the weather's getting a little bit crappy now as well, so I'll get out if I've got the opportunity, but if I don't need to actually go out on the bike, then I probably won't. So what we're going to do today, basically I'm going to show you some maintenance on what I'm doing on the bike. So we're going to start off with the easy stuff and we'll gradually work up and we'll get to the more technical side of things. Which means today I'm going to be showing you how I basically clean and lube my chain. The first thing that I do, obviously you need to clean it. I do use a chain brush. They're a bit easier because they've got the three sides. It just means you can get all areas of the chain. And to clean it, I use the Prime Shine motorcycle chain cleaner. It's by a company called Tru-tension. So that's what I use to clean it. And I do use a couple of products to lube it. So obviously we've got the chain lube, which is also by Tru-tension. I use that. But because it's coming into winter, I do use the chain wax. So we've got the banana slip motorcycle chain wax. That's what we'll be putting on there today to lubricate the chain. And before we get into it, I will say, if you are interested and you do like the look of these products, you can actually get 10% off of these. What I'll do is I'll put the link in the description below and click the link, basically use the promo code, and it'll get you 10% off your orders on these products. So they do a range of stuff. They've got wheel rollers, obviously they've got chain lube, chain cleaner, they've got brake cleaner, all sorts of stuff. So head over there, click the link in the description, use the promo code that's there as well, and you can get 10% off. So we'll get into it, we'll move the camera down to the bike and we'll start cleaning the chain. Okay, so here we are down at the greasy end of the bike. It's not actually too bad. I do try and keep on top of the condition of my chain because the better you look after it, the longer it's going to last, and it ends up saving you money in the long run. So we're going to start off with the chain cleaner, obviously to get rid of any excess lube. You can just feel it's all sticky on there. So we're going to do a rotation on the chain while spinning the chain cleaner. And then we'll start cleaning it with the brush. You can either clean it, you can start spraying it up here, or if you find it easier, you can bring it up to the top where the front sprocket is and do it that way. But for argument's sake, we'll be doing it down here today. So if you just bear with me. So you do a rotation. It is on the front of the chain as well, so we'll just be doing that. Okay, so that's had a layer of chain cleaner. And then we'll just get this chain brush. Like I said, this is one of the chain brushes. It's got three sides. You've got extra bristles on the back there, but I don't tend to use them. What we're going to be concentrating on is this side. So the chain brush goes on the chain, obviously, and then you just hold it, and without chopping your fingers, you just spin the wheel. It cleans the chain off. A couple of different ways. You can either scrub or you can rotate like I do. So we'll get a couple of goes round. And we got to the join there. Just to be safe, we'll give it another go. And we'll go around the back. Do this just to basically rinse off all the crap. Obviously, don't forget to do the back of the chain as well. Right, once that's done, grab yourself either a clean or a new cloth. I've got a used one here, but it's only for the chain, so it's not too big of a deal. Get yourself underneath the bike. Well, you don't get under the bike, and then you just grab hold of the chain and spin it. Make sure you're spinning it away from the rear sprocket, because you don't want to end up trapping your fingers. I did that once and I've ended up with half a thumb, so just to be safe, spin the wheel so that the chain's coming away from the rear sprocket, and you should be all good. So once you've given that wipe down, find a new piece of cloth. Once your chain is clean, because there's no lube on there, you will find that it makes a little bit more noise than it normally does. Okay, so that is the chain all clean. As you can see, quite clean. Little bits of rust on the chain, it's about ready for a new one, but the vast majority of it is there. So then all we get is the chain wax, banana slip chain wax, and then the same, we just go and give the bike a coating of this. Again, give it a quick shake before you do. Again, I've got it down here. I'm going to basically, I spray down here into the O-rings, and then I'll come round the back and we'll give the rear of the chain a bit of a squirt. So we'll just make sure we've done a full rotation, find the join, find the link, and then we just spray. Okay, so that's on there, and then if we come round here and do the rear O-rings, just make sure you keep the chain spinning so that you get an even coat of wax all the way around. So that's now been lubed up. We've got to give that 5 or 10 minutes to just dry. It's anti-fling, so give it 5 or 10 minutes to dry properly, and then you're pretty much ready to go. So what we'll do is we'll just use a bit of, it'll not hurt it, use a bit of the chain cleaner just to spray on the rim. What that will do, it'll basically just give the wheel a bit of a wipe and get rid of any wax that's just sprayed onto there. And job's a good one. So that is basically how to clean and lube a chain. Obviously, the better the products that you use, the easier it is. And that's why, one of the reasons why I use the Tru-tension products, because especially the chain cleaner and the chain wax, they both do a brilliant job, like all the products. So, like I say, if you are interested in these, you can get 10% off. So click the link in the description below and use the promo code. And you can use it as many times as you want. Place as many orders as you want, you'll keep getting 10% off. But it's as simple as that to clean and lube your chain. Don't forget, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up button as well. So obviously, if you do like the content, don't forget, if you do subscribe, hit the bell notification as well. It just means that when I upload a video, you'll get a notification to say that I've done so, and you can check it out. But for today, guys, that's it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to ride safe, keep the sticky side down, and until next time, I love you all.